Recent concerns about the security of Facebook and online electronic medical records have led consumer groups to call on the government to implement stronger online privacy laws. Should government pass such restrictions, or is this too much government intrusion into the marketplace?
Well, look, I think government has done enough to intrude in our lives for the moment. There needs to be some common sense displayed. I mean, I'm a parent. Our kids are young. We use common sense decision making about how we raise our family, and we don't let our kids access some of the things that you're talking about. But let's start using common sense. I'm not sure why we need to go to the federal government and demand a piece of legislation for every problem in this country. We ought to be looking at our members of Congress as representatives and judge them not by the legislation they file, but judge them by the legislation they repeal. Because if we believe in a limited government, effective and efficient government, and that is the goal here, to reduce our debt, to reduce our deficit, let's get the federal government out of the way of our lives and focus on the things that truly people want us to focus on, which is effective delivery of service, to be a good steward of taxpayer money.
Congressman, do we have a concern with privacy law?
Well, first of all, his children are little, so I'm sure they're not going to Facebook and going to those places. But I have young adult kids who are, and so many are also. And I think one of our basic rights is to freedom of privacy. And I think that when it's being violated by anybody or any company, yes, we have a right to expect that the government will protect our privacy.
Facebook is not forcing anyone in this room to go on Facebook. Therefore, there is no law that is required to address the issue. If you don't want to go on Facebook, don't go on Facebook.
You know, they went on Facebook, but they had no idea that Facebook was allowing the various apps to collect information.
Again, you know what, this is classic.
It
is classic. Government has to solve a problem that exists, and that is not always the solution. And that's the exact thinking that has gotten us into the mess that we're in right now in this country. That's why people are fed up. That's why people can't wait to vote in November.
You know, Frank, last week when you were down in Londonderry with me, you complained that there was no government rule so that people couldn't expect the same price if they went to the hospital. You were saying, I think it was your wife.
I didn't say there was no government rule. But you're not saying.
You let your wife, you talked about your wife, how she went to the hospital and she didn't know the price. And he said, you know, there needs to be some rules. So if you go to the hospital, you know what the price will be. Well, let me tell you something, Frank. Companies and hospitals and all others are not going to put their prices up. You would have to have some government saying, if you're going to fix, I think it's your wife's knee, if you're going to fix knees and you want the price posted, they're not going to volunteer. So you can't have it both ways.
Yes, we can have it both ways.
Okay,
First of all, we did this in Manchester without one piece of legislation. This is a very important issue for people to understand. You don't need the government to always dictate rules and regulations.